Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all really quick with the coming soon scrap pack video. All right, y'all. So I haven't done a how to make or DIY scrap pack. I haven't done anything like that in about a couple of months now. It's been a while since I've been in my scrap pack stash. So I'm going to just show y'all a couple things that I may or may not be using for my next scrap pack design. I got a lot of different beautiful colors here. I really have not made a decision, but if you all stick around, I will be doing a how to make DIY video on whatever it is that I choose to use to make, of course, y'all know, some earrings, okay? In this scrap pack here, I have quite a bit of few little goodies here. And these are just plain paper. But with that being said, I want to thank you all for taking the time out to watch this here little small segment on what's coming soon. Like I said, I have not decided. It's going to be a surprise to you all. And yeah, so I want to thank y'all for taking the time out. If you are new, if this is your very first time here on this platform, you like what I do, please subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell on the side so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. I want to thank y'all for taking the time out to see what is next to come. Have a wonderful and awesome day, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens. And until the next video, peace and blessings. See ya.